When the first Braun ambulance rolled onto the streets, Pong was revolutionizing how games are played. The Apollo 17 astronaut shot the famous blue marble photo, and Hewlett-Packard introduced the first handheld scientific calculator. It was 1972, a time that was ushering in an era of new ideas, new possibilities, and new expectations of performance. Braun built their first ambulance, a Type 2 van, which created the pathway to the slopeside ambulance model, setting a higher standard of excellence, strength, and performance in the market. It's a different world 50 years later. Technology is more sophisticated than ever as emergency care is evolving at lightning speed. But one simple truth remains constant. The men and women who come to work every day and build Braun-strong ambulances are driven by that same commitment to excellence, commitment to performance, and commitment to build exceptional life-saving vehicles, making life better one relationship and one vehicle at a time. Over 5 decades, Braun has produced nearly 10,000 ambulances, serving millions of people coast to coast during life's most crucial and critical moments. We couldn't have done it without you. Here's to the goodness we've brought to the world, and here's to the greatness that lies ahead.